Hey, are you Dasaisenpai?
Dasaisenpai?
Dasai?
The hell of all three.
This guy's so docile.
Dude, this guy's so
Actually, what day is it? What day is it today?
A3.
Day 3. Day 3. Day 3. Let's go to Mickey D's. She got that. Oh, you get the burger. Look at these. I don't like bungo. I dropped that shit so hard. Don't point at me again. I sat on his glasses on accident.
Day 1. Day 1, yes.
There it is, Line Expo. Look the line. Oh, actually, never mind. It looks just as big.
You haven't opened your doors yet, man.
Nope. Day 3, let's get it. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, and we got Andy over here. Day 3. The fatigue is maybe kicking in. Hey, Leo's back
We got
here.
this robot.
Hey,
We got a screen.
got a screen. We got Fate again. We got that.
We got cosplayers.
Oh wait, what is that? Oh, never mind. It's just Jonar.
Oh my gosh, hey. It's my little brother cosplayer.
Yeah, we just left. Oh, wait, they're here. Never mind.
Hey. It's my favorite YouTuber.
Oh, these guys.
Hey. Almost immediately, I wanted to
His knees.
I'm old.
His
Stop.
knees.
Stop.
Oh my god.
I'm almost 30.
His knees. His knees. We're going back in. Anime Expo. Hey guys.
Hey.
Gee, I saw you right at the corner. Crazy. Hey, you guys are in line for Gundam base?
I
Yeah.
got my first Android.
Gee. Ooh.
What, Denki?
Denji. Let's go, let's go.
Man, look at
Jeez.
this. For the faces.
Wait, turn around.
Yeah.
Let's go. Peace. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, here she is. If you don't, I have to hear about it for the rest of the day. Make some noise for the female protagonist, Saber's Master. Get on out here. She's not even coming out. Okay, she's, as you know, difficult. So I want you to make noise that she hears, and then she comes to investigate. Just everybody scream Saint chords. That ought to do it. 1, 2, 3. Saint chords! Yeah, okay, she heard you. Alright, so who's got it? Because the false alarm is gonna go badly for all of us. Anybody got Saint chords? No?
Just teabagging. This guy's GSSRing right next to me. He wants Muramasa. Let's see what he gets. That's not Muramasa.
It's alright.
What MP is that? 2?
MP2, yeah.
Oh wait. First of all.
Yeah, that's like MP13 by this point.
Is this guy gonna go next? Who knows? This guy is GSSRing. All right, go for it. What's he gonna get?
It just gives you the one anyway.
What's he gonna get?
Shame. Shame. Couldn't even wait for the homies. Yeah, Andy. Shut up. Oh no. I failed the 10 roll.
The bare min. Does he get rainbows? Oh, that's a double. That was a double. Uh-oh. Wait, no, that's someone new for him, though.
Could be.
Okay. A Tristan. A free Tristan. All right. Well, that was a pause. Here it comes. What is the card? It's double-sided Berserker. Who's that? Who's on there? Berserker.
Raiko?
Is it Raiko? Oh. Holy. I thought that was Raiko, bro. No way. You got
MP5 Berserker. That's how I got Raiko. I was rolling for the robot ninja.
Okay, here it is. This must be it. That was like 11. Assassin. Jack?
Koyanskaya.
Hey, MHX.
I wanted the other one. Koyanskaya.
Wait, which assassin was? Oh, what other assassin? Oh. Oh my gosh.
Let's Koyanskaya.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
It's Fan Point.
Richmond, that was my joke. I did it first.
I was the first one to say
I did it
joke.
first.
I was the first one to say that. Oh shit, I didn't mean it. Right here. Fan Point. Boom. You see that?
I can't even see through my camera. Bro, you got Muramasa.
I didn't even pull on his banner. Wow.
Wow, that is a pause.
That is a pause.
Look at that. That's a screenshot right there. Oh my goodness. What we get?
I think this is the
BB! Yo, you got your summer BB.
No.
Oh man, never mind, I got debated. Gamic, we just did notification squad. And
No, this is not in the BB banner. This is Kiara's banner.
damn. That would have got me. That got me.
Really?
Damn. Did you have her? Oh, and Pete, you got 2 SSRs and 110 roll on your GSR. Are you fucking kidding me? Get the fuck out of here. I got that on camera. What? What? Bro. Huh?
That's why I
Huh? Wait, he double tapped. Like, oh, okay, it's a Z. I'm about to say, man.
Muramasa.
Muramasa again.
I haven't gotten my 5-star yet, or 4-star yet.
Are we guaranteed 1 4-star?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's why you guys kept saying that.
Who's this?
Hey.
Hey.
Ilya.
Oh, dude, that's to make up for my lack of, what was it?
What the fuck, bro? He's crazy. Did you like your GSSR, Richmond?
This is actually pinpoint. I actually like this GSSR.
Fucking bitch. Alright, we'll see you later.
Our fighters are ready to get down to it, so let's start the match and see what these warriors are capable of. Here we go. What are these? To keep it going. The properties that attacks get from a drive rush make them a great tool for creating chances like that. Fourth reads are unreal. Both fighters have a full super meter on deck. The whip full of reach and jump-ins at this range. They're going for the super art? That's not gonna hit. Experiencing burnout. Player 2 has the deck stacked up tap to close it. Here's the final round. The real fight starts now.
Alright guys, you're either going for the underdog Haruka here or you're rooting for Zay to get that prize from WD Black.
Holy, we barely made it into the Bunny Girl panel. Let's fucking go. It was packed before we got in here. It's crazy.
This was
What's up, boys?
This was a meeting. This was meant to be.
Meant to be, meant to be. Let's watch a movie. Yo. Yo, we got the Bunny Girl movie. Let's go.
Hey, Kate, best girl. I'll say it right now. Bro, she's in middle school. Shoot. No spoilers, no spoilers.
Okay, okay.
No, this is where I got my. I'm sorry, my citizen.
Hey, are you Dasaisenpai?
Dasaisenpai?
The Dasai.
Got the hell of all three.
Oh my god, dude, this guy's so popular.
Damn.
This is America. Day one over.
Day one, no. Day one.
Oh, day 5.
Day five. What tomorrow is? Kicking us out.
The
Yeah.
last day tomorrow. No.
You can't keep us out. Hey, I found myself on stream.
They did? Let's go.
That's me, boys.
Dang, he drinking a beer. Day 3 is done. AX is pretty much over.
Relaxing.
Más.
Itadakimasu.
Más. Más. Look at that wiener.
Yeah, okay. Hey,
Oh my.
Bars.
Ooh, they jaywalking. Dang,
Video evidence.
he's so slow. George's so slow, bro. Jesus. Alright, let's go get gas real quick. Fucker! No, he's going Andy!